I swear, this is my favorite squishy. I love this butter squishy so much. What was that? Uh, I'm probably just paranoid. I'm gonna just forget about it. I'm gonna just keep playing with my favorite squishy and then eventually go to bed. Maybe I should go check it out. Yeah, maybe I should. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Let me go check downstairs. Hopefully, no one should be here. It's just me. Exactly what I thought. It's just me. I'm probably just going crazy. What was that? Oh no, that does not sound good. Does it feel like someone is touching my squishy? I literally left it on my bed. What? How was where for? What was that? I got a notification. What? Who is this? I gotta ask. Who is this? I need to find out. Turn around? What do you mean by that?